Wanbdi Wakita miedo. Today, I guess we see land as being very important in all aspects. But the land today is being poisoned at a greater rate than not being poisoned. Long ago, much of this land that I'm standing on belonged to the Dakota people. And the reason why we have all this land was there was a great number of tribes of the Dakota, and hunting here and there. And it's like a conservation thing. We had conservation laws that we took seriously. Those laws came from Creator, didn't come from man. The river flowed where it needed to flow. There was no interruption. The grass and the trees grew where they needed to grow. It's just that we were told that we're relatives. The natural world is our relatives. That includes man, animals, the things that have wings, and medicine. And that we are to live in a sustainable way and to live in harmony with one another. When we occupy a piece of land, we treat it with great respect. Harvest what is necessary for us to live. Give back to Mother Earth what is necessary so that Mother Earth can continue. On a daily basis, we say to Creator, thank you, and our ancestors, thank you, and to Mother Earth, thank you, and to Grandmother Earth, thank you. On a daily basis, that's what we say. We give back in terms of feeding Mother Earth, because every single day Mother Earth provides us with something for us to survive. Creator make the laws, Mother Earth provides everything that we need to activate the law. And that's a big responsibility. Lately, we're in the process of what's called land claims. I hope it would be just a regular talk and not have to fight to protect this land, to keep it from getting poisoned, because that's the only reason why we would want our land back. This land was taken from us illegally. They told us that Hudson Bay owned the land, and who did they give the money to? Not us. And then Hudson Bay sold it to Dominion of Canada. And now the government and the politicians are saying they own the land. That's not true. We own the land. The proper way is to give the land back. Straightforward things. I hope all of us can take care of this land, because in a little while we're going to figure out how important this Mother Earth is. Thank you. Thank you.